Today we're going to make good old-fashioned kettle corn, so stick around. So to start off with, you need a pretty good sized pot with a lid. Gotta have a lid or else you're gonna have popcorn all over the kitchen. So this pot happens to be about 9.5 inches wide by about 5 inches deep. And that's the perfect size pot for this recipe that I'm going to do right here. But whatever pot you use, you can see this isn't the best pot in the world, but you don't need a great one because you're going to be scratching up the bottom of this when you're shaking the pot back and forth. So what makes this recipe so easy to remember, it's just quarter, 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 and half. So let's start out with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then a 1/2 cup of Orville Redenbacher popcorn. Definitely the best. And you put that 1/2 cup of popcorn in the bowl with your sugar and salt. And then a 1/4 cup of Orville Redenbacher's popcorn oil, that butter flavored popcorn oil. I don't know if there's another one, but this is by far the best popcorn oil. So we want a 1/4 cup of that in the pot. We don't put the sugar and popcorn in here until the oil heats up to about 500 degrees. So I'm going to turn this up to a high heat. So this is going to get hot when you're rocking this back and forth. So you're going to need a pot holder or an oven mitt. So I'm going to use my Mr. Spock oven mitt to do this. So here we are at 500 degrees or about, and I can see smoke just coming off the oil. So once that's up to temperature, put in your popcorn and your sugar and put the lid on there. And mix it up a little bit. Let's get all that mixed up. And it's going to start popping pretty quick. And I can see it starting to pop already. Still going. So you know it's done when you don't hear any popping for about 3 seconds. I'm going to call that done. And as soon as it's done, we remove it from the heat instantly. So here we are. Here's our kettle corn. Just enough sweetness, just enough salt, and a whole lot of goodness. So I hope you guys like this kettle corn, and I hope you like the video. So until next time, live long and prosper. I'll catch you guys later.